Sorry, lunch. I'm in Edinburgh, waiting for Bob, Paola, and Fran. Today, food. London to Edinburgh. 3 people. £100, 5 days. This is the London to Edinburgh Challenge! Oh no! Fran is hungry and hot.
You look hot. Are you okay?
I'm very hot and hungry.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I do.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes.
We have vegetable soup. It has carrots, potatoes, and onions.
It's healthy. I like healthy food. Vegetables, fruit, and I like soup. But I also like unhealthy food. Like pizza.
I don't like unhealthy food, but the pizza here is good.
Okay, pizza please.
And to drink? Coffee? Tea? Water?
Water please. Hey. Actually, I'm doing the London to Edinburgh Challenge. Can I stay at your house? Thank you. The train. Bye. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80. £80.
Do you like soup?
Yes, I do. I like healthy food.
I don't like unhealthy food.
I like healthy food. I also like unhealthy food.
Next time on the London to Edinburgh Challenge.
Uh, 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 uh.